Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to create a quick song on GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone. If you haven't already, go ahead and download it up, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where we can start with selecting the track that we want to use. As you can see right here at the top of the screen, we have the live loops, or we can select the tracks options where we can go ahead and record ourselves, or we can go ahead and start with using an instrument we want to play and so on. So guys, we have all multiple options for creating a quick song. We can use the audio recorder option right here. That's going to enable us to record our vocals over our instruments that we might have. And if you scroll left and right, you'll find the option that you can go ahead and plug in your guitar that you can play. You can go ahead and create beats using drums right here in the app and so on. So we can get started with using our desired vocals and tracks. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the audio recorder, as this is the fastest option to go ahead and get our vocals. And guys, as you can see, this is where we can go ahead and get started with recording our song. So basically right here at the top of the screen, the big red button circle is going to enable you to get started recording. As you can see, after clicking the record button, it's now going to go ahead and start the recording process. That's going to enable you to go ahead and hear yourself how you sound, and you can start getting effects. So here you can find all the effects, such as you can change your voice, you can select the size of your effect, the pitch, and so on. And here in the upper left corner we have the sliders that are going to enable us to manage our plugins, such as treble, bass. We have the echo option to manage reverb and so on. Here you can go ahead and get started managing your track, and after selecting your voice guys, you can now go ahead and select an instrument that you want to record under it so that you can combine your tracks into a quick song. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.